Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Happy Handicrafts and my name is Joanna. Today we're going to be making a Paper Sloyd Quarterfoil. It's a nice classic element used in many designs. We adapted it to a simple picture frame. We got started right away measuring and cutting and then realized that we could have probably simplified things with just some simple folds. So good thing you're following along with us because we're going to make the mistakes for you. Now, if you haven't been following along, we've been working through the book Paper Sloyd for Primary Grades by Ednah Anne Rich. You can find the link below. This project is the first of 14 supplementary models in the back of the book. Many of these supplementary models have very little instructions, if any, so they're kind of difficult to figure out, especially if you're not the crafty sort. But no fear, stick with us, we're going to get you through. Now, the materials you're going to need for this project are a piece of quality cardstock or construction paper, the book, Paper Sloyd for Primary Grades by Ednah Anne Rich, a pair of scissors. You'll want to get a really good quality compass. I'll say those flimsy ones that come with your geometry sets don't work well. So you'll find links to what we're using in the description below. You're also going to need a ruler, some glue, a hole punch, a pencil, and some yarn, ribbon, twine, or whatever you choose. Now the first thing we're going to do is flip our paper over and we're going to create a 3 7/8 of an inch square piece. So we do this by measuring down from the top on the left hand side with our ruler to 3 7/8 of an inch. At that point, we're going to draw a little line. Then we move our ruler over a few inches and measure down from the top again to 3 7/8 of an inch and draw another line. Then we're going to use our ruler to join those two dots with a line. Next, using our ruler, we're going to measure in from the left at the top to 3 7/8 of an inch. Take your pencil and mark the spot. Then you can move your ruler down to that line we just drew, measure in from the left carefully to 3 7/8 of an inch, and draw another dot. Then use your ruler to join those last two dots. Our next step is to use our scissors and cut out the square we've drawn in the upper left-hand corner of our paper. Now the next step is we're going to create the folds that direct where we put the compass in the next few steps. So first we're going to fold it in a rectangle, as you can see here. We always reinforce our folds. And then fold it the other way. Open it back up and fold it the other way in another rectangle. We work hard to be very accurate because those folds make a big difference. Here we're reinforcing the folds, and now we're going to fold it in a triangle. Then open it up and fold it in the other way in a triangle. So you're going to have folds from corner to corner and on the sides as well. Next, we're going to measure. We want to make sure our compass is at 1 1/8 of an inch. Then we're going to put it in the center of our square and we're going to create a circle. Now we're going to use our pencil to draw little X's at each 4 points where the circle intersects with the diagonal lines. And now with our compass still at 1 1/8 of an inch, we're going to draw semicircles, placing the sharp point at those X's, and draw a semicircle at each corner. As you can see, this is making the 4 circles of the quarterfoil. And we've always found it easier that instead of moving the compass, we move the paper. Next, we're going to draw 2 little points where we're going to thread our yarn through. We're going to use our hole punch to pop 2 little holes there. And then we're going to cut out our quarterfoil. We'll do this quickly. You can pause if you need to. Now in this next step, we decided to make our quarterfoil into a picture frame. The book suggests that you could put some sandpaper in the middle and make it into a match strike or a pencil sharpener. We thought maybe we had a little better tools this century. So we're just gonna make ours into a picture frame. We cut out a 2 1/4 inch circle and just glued it right into the middle. Then we take our twine and we're going to thread it through the 2 holes that we made with the hole punch. Then we're going to tie it into a tie so that we can hang it. And that, my friends, is a quarterfoil picture frame. Thank you for joining us and crafting with us. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Hit that subscribe button so that you can find us in the future and we can craft again soon. See you in the next video.